So we're not going bowling because it's going to be too late because it starts at 9 o'clock and my little sisters aren't going to be able to do it. So instead we're going to stay home, watch the Smurfs, eat pizza and breadsticks. Then we're going to make make it yourself Sunday. We bought all the different kinds of stuff at the commissary. We just got home from that. And we got in our beaches and made a comfy bed. So I'll record the Sundays. And that's probably going to be the next little scene. Or clip or whatever you call it. This is just a starter. So, yeah. Cool. Okay. Bye-bye.
Abby? Abby.
What?
Blueberry. I made it for you.
Oh, yay.
You want to put them in a Ziploc?
Daddy, can I have some more? It is?
You're gonna put no whipped cream in?
Cheers. Okay. Concentrate on the whipped cream and not videotape and everything.
You put cherry on top?
No.
That's it?
Just spoon.
I believe it melted. You so sad.